Hey friends, if you wish to format text as Superscript or Subscript in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, then please watch this video. Now I'll show it on Word. It remains the same for PowerPoint and Excel. Subscript is when it is at the bottom and Superscript is when it is at the top. In short. So I'll show you for H2O. 2 needs to be the subscript. You need to go to the font section in the home tab, which is a default tab, and click on this small button here, and then check this option for subscript and then click on OK. And then for 17, to make it superscript, you need to go to the same option and then check superscript and then click on OK. So this is a little tedious process, but it's good enough. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.